Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my Grow with Grace video, where I have $100 in prop money and some saving challenges that I am working on all year long. Yeah, so let's get started. Happy Easter to everyone. Hope you're having fun. Hope the weather is cooperating for the Easter egg hunts so the babies can collect the eggs and goodies. So let me see. We got saved $2,026 in 2026. You can find this in my Etsy or my Kofi. It's a printable download. I rolled pink. Let me see. So let's go ahead and save the $28. And this is going towards taxes, which great news is I found out me and my husband doesn't owe a lot this year for taxes. So that is a plus. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we will take the money that was saved for this year's taxes and roll it over for next year. So if we don't finish this, that's okay, because we got room, you know. We might take us a nice vacation. Speaking of vacation, let's go ahead and see what we can save for this. This is created by Mendo. Save $1,200. Let's go on an adventure. Yes. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead and let's go ahead and do the 20. Go ahead and save this 20. Perfect. So 10 and 20. And I know I'm not going to finish this by the time we go on our vacation in June, which is okay. I will pull the money that is saved, and then, yeah, we will just do that. So we trying to save all of it, but we probably not going to, but that's okay. All right, senior year. Let me see. This is for my son, class of 2026. Oh my gosh, guys, it's coming up. It's coming up. Okay, let's see. This is created by Reynolds Budget. Never let them dim your light. Let me see. Let's go ahead and roll a D8. Oh, we got a 4. Do we got a 4 here? No, but we can do 3 and 1 for 4. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's see. Let's do that again. And we got 8. So $12. So let's put that back and grab a 10. A 10, 11, and 12. And we might come back to this one. We shall see. Gotta get his laptop for him as his graduation gift. Oh goodness. It's just approaching. It's coming so close. What are we doing now? Month ahead. What is month ahead? Oh. Oh dear. Okay. Month ahead is this challenge created by Champagne's Corner. And let's see. We just scratching off some. Let me see. Let's go here. See, we got a house, which is $1. We can do that. Let's go again. Ooh. We got the light bulb for $3. 1, 2, and 3. And let's do this lonely one over here. Ooh, another light bulb for $3. And like I said, this is for a month ahead. So another $3. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Last time we got that times 2. Next is emergency funds. And this is created by Budgeted Introvert, 1200 plus, giant ant savings. We finished this page already. And these are the stickers that come with it. We don't need that right now. We finished this page. Now we got this page and we was doing this page. So let's see. Let me get... So this was odd or even. Let's get a D6. Or should I do a... should I do a D4? Let's do a D4. Let me see. Oops. So what you do is, I always say roll a 6-sided die. Oh, so I guess I got to roll a D6. Roll a 6-sided die. But before you guess if it will be an even or odd, okay. So we're going to say this row is going to be even. And we got 4, which is even. So let me get the marker. So we got an even for 4. So evens, I am saving, $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, should we do it again? Let's do it again. Oh, I forgot to guess. Okay, let me go odd this time. Oh, it was even. So odd is, no, hold on. Did I do that right? If it's even, say $4. If it's odd, say $2. So this was even again. So it's $4. Am I doing this right? I think I am. So let's put $1 back and grab a 5. 5, 6, 7, $8. Okay. Yeah, I think that's right. I think. I don't know. Should I? Let me see how much money we got. Let's go ahead and do an ice cream cone, because there's a lot of ice cream cones on here. And let's do a strawberry. Let's do a strawberry. This is a bright strawberry. And each ice cream is $5. This page saves 100. Nice ice cream cone. All right. And so we put the $5. So now we're doing $5, $10, $11, $12, $13 in emergency funds. All right, I'm just gonna let that dry. All right, next we got the most basic saving challenge. And this is created by Beautifully Me and You here on YouTube. You can get this on Amazon. And I'm on this page. I already saved my first $100. Now I'm working on the second. And it says 15K this whole book. So let's go ahead and roll a D8. And we got a 6. Let me see. I don't have any more 6, but I would do a 5 and a 1. So let's color those in. Let's see. Let's do this 5. I need some more markers. So 5 and a 1. So let's do 1. Which one should we do? We only got 1, right? We do. Only got the 1 left. So let's go ahead and do this one. This page is all sorts of colors. And then I like these markers on this paper. Okay, we just gonna leave it like that. So that is $6. And should we do another one? Let's do one more time. And let's do a D6 if there's no more 8. 6 again, really? I can't do 6. I guess I can do 4 and 2. All right, we do 4 and 2. So another $6, 5 and 6. All right, so let's do this 4. This page is looking crazy. So 4. And let's do a 2. I guess I could have did the same. Let's do this 2 up here. And this book, I don't have it designated to anything. I just want to challenge myself to complete this as much as possible. At least get to the first 1K, you know? That's the challenge. Once I get to the first 1K, then we shall see. All right, so that's $5, $10, $11, $12 going into the most basic saving challenge. Almost finished with the second 100. All right, let's put that in there. Perfect. Let's see what we got left. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got $8 left. Should I? Oh, goodness. Let me see. $8 left. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put it into senior year. So let's go ahead and do this 8. And then we got what? 12. Ooh, we still got, I didn't even see this row. Okay. We still got a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8 going to here. I don't even know how much this totals, but try to finish this by next month. We can do it. We can do it. All right, gems, that is it. That is $100 put into my Grow with Grace binder. So much fun. All right. That is it. Be sure to check out my Etsy shop for some new binder charts and paper clips that beaded binder charts and paper clips that are available in my Etsy shop. So go check that out. And then I want to thank everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to give yourself some grace. Bye, gems.